the HealthGraph EHR software. So I'm logging right now as a reception. So this is a cloud-based EHR software. So I've logged in right now as a reception user, and I'm in the OPD module right now. As you can see, we have other modules as well. I am doing a registration of a patient right now, and by clicking Add New Patient, I can register a new patient. So I'm adding name and mobile number, and I can fill other details which are required to complete the registration. Once I do that, the registration is completed. I can also do the billing of the patient once the patient has arrived. So I can also configure the token management as well. This is something which is a configurable option. If you want, you can use it. And now I can do a billing of the patient. I can bill, let's say, consultation, and this will complete the billing, and I can print this and I can give it to the patient. Once I have done that, I can move the patient to an appropriate person. It could be an optometrist, it could be a doctor, and it shows that how many patients are with the doctor right now. Same is true for an optometrist. So this is a clinical workflow which happens in hospital on daily basis. So we move patient from screen to screen. So right now I'll be sending this patient to a doctor. Once I do that, you can see this patient is no more with me. It's with a doctor right now. So I log out right now and I will log in as a doctor. Now this patient is with a doctor, as you can see. Doctor will start the examination of the patient. So the doctor will click uh, this particular template and will open up the examination window. Now here I'm mostly clicking and not typing. So I'm typing patient is here for um, general checkup and has a blurring diminution of vision from past 3 weeks. Has also pain in the eye from past 3 days. And if we have covered almost 90% of all chief complaints, but if there are anything extra, you can always type here. Any ophthalmic situation or let's say systemic problems that you can capture as well. Any allergies, vital signs. So the history is done. Now you can go to refraction. Again, you are clicking uh, the values here. You're not typing, as you can see. It's very simple and easy to use, and it you don't waste your time, and it improves your follow-up visits with the patient. Let's say I want to give a glasses prescription. I can just directly click on the values and quickly fill the glasses prescription. I'll go to examination and I can go to, let's say, fundus diagramming, and I can do the diagramming of the fundus or something like this. I can also add annotations, and I can go to other sections of the examination and do the patient examination accordingly. For example, I can go to cornea, then the cornea has a slit diagram as well as cornea diagram. Then I'll go to investigation. So let's say if I want to advise patients some investigations, I could just click a scan, or I can also create sets through which I can quickly populate the same investigation, repeated investigation over and over again. Again, I can give lab investigations. I can give radiology investigations. If I go to diagnosis, let's say we have IC data in here. So patient has cortical iliac cataract. I can do that. I can click it and this will make the diagnosis as cortical iliac cataract. Same thing goes for advice. I can create sets. So let's say I have created a glaucoma set, and If I want to taper it down by frequency or by dosage, I can do that. If I want to advise any procedure to the patient, I can do that. Any referral or any advice. If I want patient to come back after, let's say, 1 week, so, or let's say on 30th of September, I can do this. And once I click, this document is saved and the patient OPD summary is ready. I can print what I want to print, selective print, and I can give it to the patient. So this way you can digitize not only your hospital, but all parts of your hospital. The entire product includes OPD, IPD, OT, billing, inventory, analytics, and all parts of the hospital to make them completely digital. The benefits of this particular product or software is that it will save cost. You'll be able to see more patients and therefore more revenue. Your follow-ups will become much more faster. You will become compliant with NABH and other regulations. Also, it will improve the patient experience and the entire patient journey will be digitized and the patient will have a very good uh, experience in your hospital. So to inquire more about this software, please connect with us at our stall and we'll be happy to demo you the product in much more detail. Thank you.